Hello, welcome. Let's look at this. We have if 4 into bracket 1 on 2 multiplying a power of x minus 1 minus 1 on 2 multiplying power of 2 minus x. All this equals 0. We are finding a value of x. I can see that from the laws, if I have 1 over a exponent n, it becomes a exponent negative n. So I'm going to apply that in a bracket. And since it is going to be base 2, the 4 is also changed to base 2 to the power 2, multiplying base 2 to the power negative 1, the power of x minus 1 follow. This is also 2 negative 1 as a power, multiplying 2 minus x equals 0. We can also remember if I have a power, okay, let me use power n, multiplying power m, it becomes a power m times what? N. So I can see this is minus 1 as a power, multiplying this. So this becomes 2 exponent 2, negative 1 times x. That will be negative x. Negative 1 times negative 1, positive 1. 2 exponent of negative 1 times 2, negative 2 plus x equals what? 0. What should I do next? I can see that this is multiplying. Under indices, as you multiply the base, you add the exponent. 2 exponent 2 plus 1 minus x minus 2 exponent of minus 2 plus x equals what? 0. Now, we need to see that this is subtraction and this is not multiplication or division for us to apply what? The laws. So let's deal with this separately, which will be 2 exponent of 3 minus x minus 2 minus 2. Okay, let me bring the x first. Minus 2 equals what? 0. So since there are 3 terms and this cannot be made in the base of 2, 2 exponent 1, 2 exponent 0 will have been 1. So let's transpose the negative there. So let's have our 2 exponent of 3 minus x equals to 2 exponent x minus 2. So now we are having equal sign, which means that the base are the same, the exponent are also the same. So I'm only going to say that 3 minus x is the same as x minus what? 2. And if that is true, we can group like terms. Let's maintain the 3 here. Negative 2 become plus 2. Maintain the x there. The negative x plus what? X. So 5 equals to 2x. We divide both sides by the 2. So let's say 5 over 2. 2x over 2. X will be equals to 5 on 2 or 2 whole number 1 over 2. That is the value that if you put here will make the left here to become what? 0. You can try that and see if your value will be 0. I guess concept is clear. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.